All right, guys. Mr. Big Ugly and Mr. Dollar is in these streets once again. Somebody finna feel it. Now they got a Varus and a Leona is who we facing down that bottom lane. They got an Urgot up top. We'll be dealing with a Garen. And they got a Jarvan on the juggle versus a Talon on our team, which ain't never gonna come help. We might not never see that motherfucker until he in trouble. We expecting that, so that's how it go. And in mid lane, we got a Sinadra versus a Diana. Sinadra has the biggest balls. Diana got some balls, but they're not as big. And Varus, you see that hole in his chest? I put that there. That was from the last game when I fucked him up. When I was using mail. Now he wants more, and I got lots more. What you got for him, Ugly? And talk loud so the camera can hear you.
Yeah, basically in today's game we're gonna see an amazing total match coming out of the
Not only that, to add to the fire, I brought an extra poison tip snatch hooks on my blitzcrank. So I'm gonna snatch motherfuckers, pop motherfuckers up, ignite motherfuckers, shock motherfuckers, and then chase motherfuckers down. That's the whole plan. So let's see how this all work out for us. Because I'm trying to tell you, it's going down.
A beatdown and a half over the ages.
Well, if she didn't want this beatdown, she should have paid me my money. Now, which one of these motherfuckers owe you money, Ugly? Who? I'm sorry, I didn't hear that name, sir. Which one owe you money? Who, motherfucker? Are you deaf? What school you went to? Ergot. Ain't no mother. Oh, you mean Ergot. You gotta put some bass in your voice. You sound all tennery. You sound all tennery. Well, I can't get nothing besides a fucking ward. When you just support, you don't get to get no items. Are we going straight for them, baby? Preferably, our team bring that they running, but they're not coming. Come on, Garen, you can help us here, cause you ain't gonna be doing shit up there besides standing still watching. Oh yeah, what's up, bitch? Bring your ass here. I'll take the question. That's called ignite, bitch. I'll take first blood. I ain't got no problem with it, but usually if it's my team, there you go. Running is not an option, bitch. You pop heals on people. Which one owe you money? Call it out. No, you gotta say his name. There's a lot of shit going on. Run. Keep running. You're not running. If you're not running, you're dying. I know they ain't chasing me. But you get over here by this tower. That's what I thought. You get over here by this tower. That's when I grab your ass. Oh yeah, he's so dead. Be button up. Let's get the fuck out of here. Get your help. Let's get to our lane. I got enough money to buy me something pretty. I can't get no boots. I don't have that kind of money. They want a gazillion for some boots. Well, to be actual, it's like 300. And you can only get half, or you can get the left shoe. They won't give you the right shoe. What up there? See what I did to him? He still got that hole in his chest from the last time. No, he didn't. Don't you shoot at me, ho. I ain't gonna grab him until I got my baby. I need that pop-up, Joe, or it don't work. Shoot your own minion, Ugly. All right, put your potions in the right slot. I need 2 more minions. Can I get 2 minions, Ugly? Goddamn, you shooting fast. Okay, I got it. Run up, keep running. Get up off my boy, bitch. I'm blocking all that. I'm in the way. Yeah, y'all keep trying to kill me. Do your thing, go. Do your thing. They ain't gonna fuck with me. Don't worry about me. Oh yeah, bitch. All kinds of old lady. Bitch. Looks like they won that battle because Ugly pushed up too far. Ugly, please use your range before your other abilities. Okay, I can get boots now. So now I got a potion and some boots. I ain't gonna need none of that. As soon as I hit level 6, motherfuckers start falling out of the sky. 127. You see they put a clock out here showing you when the buff will be ready for the minion jungle monsters. This minion is mine, motherfucker. I just need to get to be level at least 5 so I have all my abilities. It's Ugly shooting so fast I can't even kill a minion. Alright, be careful, Ugly. Alright, I got run now. Thank you, sir. I'm level 3. Alright, try not to go for Leona. Go for fucking Varus. I'm not snatching you. It's a waste of time.
An enemy has been slain.
I'm dropping the ward over here.
Killing spree.
So we can see if the jungle sneaks up, if that's the way he sneaks. Kill the minions up, kill the minions. She's coming straight for you, she's coming straight for you, she's coming straight for you. Popping the heel. Alright, we're gonna she know how to get in the way. Alright, Varus, come here. Bring that ass here. Don't do it, don't do it, don't chase him, don't chase him, don't chase him. That's how we get in trouble, Ugly. You know we use all our abilities, so chasing them won't do shit. Now this time we can kill him. I was just gonna say let's just kill her. And then Varus be sweet. See? Uh-oh. I kill him my damn self, dude. Fuck. Good job, Ugly. Good job. Oh, they got activity. They got activity. As soon as that thing blow up. Oh shit, they got them all coming. Turbo! Dive on over here then, bitch. Now break it. Oh, I didn't have it. I ain't got the mana for it. Oh, that's not cool. See my mana, it wasn't lit. It's lit now. Find something. Come on, wall jumper. We'll snatch somebody over here. We'll snatch, stay right here. Stay right here. It better not go for it. Alright, let's get back to the business. Uh-oh. Shoot some shit. Don't get too low, can't fight. So many minions in the way, Ugly. Get ready to use your rain burst. See, like Varus did. He used his poison, so we still standing on that spot. Get dealt with. Oh, we got a juggler that's participating in activities. I'm sorry, sir. That was your me. I saw it when you wrote your name on it. Uh-oh, activity, turbo. Run away up and make him chase you. You're so dead. I know I'm gonna catch me a motherfucker. Alright, that's 4 assists for me. Time to start getting kills now, cause y'all bullshit. Alright. Give me the rest of my boots, goddamn. I need that. If I got speed, that's the ass. Okay. First piece of armor, thank you. Up, going up top. Never mind. I'm coming to you, coming to you. I'm coming to you. Alright. I got boots and a potion. And 1 piece of my armor. Wait for it. Where you going up? Drop a ward there, come on.
I ain't got no word.
What the fuck you doing up there?
I'm saying that they have a word.
Oh, you got ward removal?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm making all the minions weak. Not punk ass arrow. She won't dab on me. Because when I run away, I kill her.
Hey.
Hey. Uh-oh, active. Son of a bitch. 4 men. See? They show up. In order to win this game, you got to have overpower. And that's what just happened. We got overpower. I'm pretty sure I could have got out of that had not decided to help us. This gives me 200. Oh, Varus, please stay there. Let's see what ugly do. Alright, I'm level 6. You level 6. Start the fight, but you always get behind me, ugly. You need a ward right here.
Watch out, we got people down here that the dragon.
Running for no reason.
Alright.
I'm looking at 5 people on the mini map. There's 1 mid, 1 top, jugglers up top. So she wasted her ward remover. Now I'm finna grab a bitch. Fuck it. Come here, bitch. Keep running up, keep running, kid, keep running up. You gotta run up, you got to run. You didn't run. Now, why are you so greedy? All you have to do is run right here. Then the tower had your back.
It's not me.
No, he didn't. No, he didn't. Because I would have been stuck too.
Bro, it's not me.
I had to watch the tape for that.
You back it up and chase fucking eggs.
Damn, man. Gotta run. I tell you to run. I mean, y'all shouldn't have to tell you to run. You should know. All you gotta do is pull back. Dollar get that arm again, he gonna snatch that motherfucker again. Varus think he can do him, so he not gonna run. That's a mistake. One Q. One shot. Come on back. There you go, ugly. Ugly, you need to invest in boots of swiftness. That way your ability comes out a whole lot faster and you get to catch people and stop, shoot, stop, shoot, stop, shoot. Because that motherfucking boots of swiftness is fast. It don't do nothing for your shot speed. Run away, ugly. Run away. Just run away. Now turn around. See how did it work? Oh, fucking minion walked in the way. Keep running. Come on, Leona, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. She don't want to do it. Ah, that's a good one. I see it. I see. That was a good one. That was a good one. They keep getting help. They keep getting help. Fucking Tot came down here to help them. I changed my status. I ain't get a chance to drop no wards. I'm not being effective, but I'm getting overran. I'll wait.
An ally has
10
been slain.
seconds. 8 seconds. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Click. I'm gonna kill him. Now I got extra defense, switch and turn. It gives me a little more health. Concentrate on the minions. Keep the minions. Run now. Hey, run up.
Killing spree.
Kill Leon. Pop the heal. Run away up. Where to get all this fucking help? Damn it. I mean, they babysitting down here. 3, 2, run ugly. Run, just run. I get him. Run ugly. Run ugly, run! Damn! Man. I saw that, but you had a chance to run when it went down. I popped him up as soon as it went down. Damn. Now, if you get over here, in this area, the tower will be your defense. And as soon as I start running, they chase me, they die instantly. Because I'm snatching them over to the tower. The whole goal is to get under that tower. Our juggler ain't came but once. They got their whole team down here. Damn.
An enemy is unstoppable.
Alright, okay, let's turn it around. That's all we can do. Turboing. 2 seconds. 1 second. Yank. Damn, 1 second away. You get some wards down there.
As long as it takes.
Run, ugly. Damn. Can't grab it unless you put up dang on. Shit. I need 9 seconds. They coming down, ugly. They coming down. See? What the fuck, man? You mother's a babysitting bottle.
An enemy has been slain. Enemy killing spree. Has destroyed a turret.
Okay, we got real team difference.
I know what I'm doing.
Shoot him 1 time, ugly. And I could pull him.
Not a problem.
Yeah, he stunned you that time. Now run. Just keep running, keep running. Okay, shit, I keep getting caught out there trying to protect.
Double kill.
Ah.